Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing the essential resources and tools so you can begin building immediately. Gather 50 wood, 10 rope and 5 cloth, and make sure your hammer and saw are equipped. This speeds placement and repairs. Choose a flat shoreline tile because stable ground prevents early tilt and sinking. Once the site and materials are ready, position your keel first and lock it in place. This creates the backbone of the craft and sets your reference for all subsequent parts. You next assemble the frame and deck with attention to alignment and load paths, because a rigid frame resists twisting in waves. Start by attaching 3 crossbeams to the keel and bolt them securely. This prevents flex. Once done, attach side planks with staggered seams so water pressure spreads evenly. Then install deck panels, cutting precise openings for the mast and rudder so controls fit snugly. Make sure to test fit components before finalizing fasteners, as adjustments are harder after sealing. You finish by installing propulsion and control systems, because these determine handling on water. Mount the mast and rig the sail, tensioning lines evenly so wind forces don't pull the boat to one side. Once complete, install the rudder and test steering in shallow water to confirm responsiveness. Add ballast low and centered to achieve proper trim. Before departing, seal all seams and run a float test. If you find leaks, patch seams and retest. This simple troubleshooting step prevents sinking or poor performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.